Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a herd of mighty elephants. They were so large that when they walked, the ground would rumble and the trees would sway. Nearby, under the soft, dewy grass, lived a small family of mice. The elephants and the mice had never crossed paths, for their worlds seemed so different. One sunny afternoon, the elephants were on their way to the river to bathe and drink water. Joyfully trumpeting and stomping, they accidentally trampled over the grassy patches where the mice lived. The tiny mice were terrified and scurried out of their nests. Noticing their mistake, the kind-hearted leader of the elephants, an old elephant named Elder, lowered his massive trunk and spoke gently. "I am very sorry for frightening you, little ones. We didn't mean any harm." The leader of the mice, a wise mouse named Whiskers, looked up and replied, "Thank you for saying so. We are small, but our homes are important to us." Elder promised to be more careful and offered to help the mice rebuild their nests. With the elephant's help, the mice soon had cozy new homes. Days turned into weeks, and the summer sun made the forest bloom. One day, a group of hunters entered the forest, setting traps to catch the majestic elephants. Elder, always on guard, saw the hunters and signaled danger to his herd. The elephants tried to flee, but they were caught in the hunters' cunning traps. Hearing the distressful trumpets of the elephants, Whiskers gathered all the mice. "Our big friends are in trouble," he said. "It's time to repay their kindness." The brave mice quickly scampered through the forest, gnawing at the ropes and the nets until the elephants were free. Elder and his herd trumpet with joy and gratitude. "Thank you, little friends," Elder said. "You have shown us that no matter how small a creature is, they can always help in a big way." Ever since that day, the elephants and the mice lived in harmony, helping each other whenever there was a need. The forest blossomed with their friendship, teaching everyone that kindness, no matter how small, is never wasted.